People, I'm here with a weather video. This video will be on the severe threat we have this weekend in store for Saturday and Sunday, and possibly Monday. I think they may issue the SPC will issue maybe a slight risk. Probably not. It'll definitely be the strongest on Saturday, but yeah. So let's jump right in. Currently, this is the upgraded severe threat, handcrafted. You can really tell it's handcrafted by me as it's ugly, but hey, it does the job. You can see where like the marginal stuff is, but like this is marginal, that's high, of course, but yeah, it does the job. This is for tomorrow, the 13th of April, Saturday. But yeah, so you can see the Dallas-Fort Worth Metro Complex is a slight risk. The whole place, even I issued that. I extended, mainly I extended it the risk north, and I extended like the risk for severe thunderstorms north, a little bit to the west or to the east, a little bit to the west, and I upgraded it, of course, a little higher. Um, yeah, the Dallas-Fort Worth Metro Complex has a slight risk for severe storms. Austin, Texas has a kind of on the line between marginal and slight, but it's in marginal. So if you're like right in the center on the dot, you're in marginal. But San Antonio, you're in marginal. Houston, you're right on the edge of slight. South of town, you're in marginal, and then north and central town, you're in slight. Beaumont, Texas, if that's how you say it, you're having enhanced risk. New Orleans, enhanced. Little Rock up here has a slight. Memphis is a slight. Lafayette, Louisiana has a moderate. Jackson has a moderate. Baton Rouge has a moderate. Monroe has a high risk. I upgraded to a high risk, so Monroe is the only major city in the high risk, really. Or that's not even a major city. It's like just a big town, really. City, I classify as a city, but Shreveport, you have a moderate risk. Birmingham, like all this, Alabama, like Tuscaloosa has a slight risk. Mobile has a slight. Pensacola has a marginal. Montgomery has a marginal, and Huntsville has a marginal. Oklahoma City will probably be left out of this, and Georgia, because this goes from 12 Zulu tomorrow morning, Saturday morning, until 12 Zulu Sunday morning. So this is actually part of Sunday, like until about 7 a.m. Sunday morning is when 12 Zulu is, 7 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. But now let's leave this crappy Google Slides, and let's go to this. So, so this is the Supercell Composite. This is one of the reasons I issued a high risk. It's a little bit different than like the SPC issues. It's more like high means a little bit less than SPC is high, because it doesn't take that. Well, it takes a lot to make it up to high at my standards, but it takes even more on SPC standards. They only have a moderate risk, as you can see. Yeah, it's not even as big as mine. Okay. So let's go here. Yeah, as you can see, look at this Supercell Composite for well. The dragger's not working. Wait a second. I gotta get it working. Of course, it's gonna bring me to a sounding. Look here at this is at 18 Zulu. So this is Saturday early afternoon. Look at some of these numbers, or look at some of these Supercell Composites. This is just, I think this measures like a lift. I'm not 100% sure. I think this measures the lift, but look at this lift in the atmosphere over here. Look at that. It even gets worse in central Louisiana, but then by like when we lose sunlight, it just goes down to like orange color. So those magenta colors mean a lot of it. Magenta is bad. Like red's bad, orange is pretty bad. But as we go until like tomorrow late afternoon, let's say like early evening, yeah, you still see some magenta colors, but not as widespread. But there will still likely be maybe some strong tornadoes in the ground, or a strong tornado on the ground. This time, I will try to do a live stream, but I will definitely try and upload. I will try to upload like updates every 2 hours, maybe. I don't know if that's a possibility. Okay, I may not be home tomorrow, but still, tomorrow, this is really early Sunday morning. You can still see some red colors and magenta colors in there. Storms will be lasting pretty late into night in the dark. Then it'll, as we get to like really, really early, it'll start to just die down the orange, and then it'll revive Sunday. But we'll talk about Sunday in probably tomorrow morning's video, because I'll probably do one tomorrow morning. I may also upgrade the high-res and bigger, and maybe it'll get smaller. I don't know. Just depends on what the new weather models say. But also, I say, look at these significant tornado index. Look at this right here, okay? This is Saturday early afternoon, of course. Look at that right there. That's intense. 147 degrees. I don't know what that means, but I think that may be where the wind's coming out of. Yeah, that may be where the wind's coming out of, but I think that measures like how like where the wind's moving. Okay, but there's gonna be a look at this wind shear. Look at this wind shear right here in Louisiana and Texas. That's amazing. That's very strong. There's even purple colors showing up. Purple is extremely bad. It's no more just magenta. It's like pink and stuff. But then I'll move up into Louisiana. Still very strong Sunday, and even into yeah. Look at this. This is overnight. This is actually like 3 to 4 a.m. CDT time, or Central Daylight Time. Look at this. There could still be possibly a lot, maybe a few tornadoes, maybe like 8. I don't know how much tornadoes are going there. There could still be some pretty strong tornadoes at this time going through Biloxi, Mississippi, and they're just leaving Jackson. And it'll, of course, revive itself on Sunday. But next, I want to go take a look at the NAM 3KM model. Yeah, so Saturday, you can just see the storms will flare up with the low pressure system moving northeast. They'll just flare up as soon as it gets like out of southern Texas. They'll just like form as soon as it gets Gulf of Mexico moisture access. And look at this. It just pulls all the storms up, liquid, and look at that. A lot of heavy rain possibly at the system. Maybe some snow on the backside too. Let's check out snowfall totals real quick. There's snowfall. Okay. Yeah, maybe something like maybe a little, not much. I don't think it's going to be any, like probably any, but could be maybe like a dusting of snow. Well, that's going to wrap up this video. I hope you all will have a good day, and I will probably be posting in the morning tomorrow before noon. But, yes, bye.